Hello everybody and welcome back. So you got a snake and now you need to get some things, but you're not sure exactly what to get. Well, in this Amazon order, I have ordered some substrate, a thermostat. I should have a thermometer and a humidity tester in here, and I don't quite remember if I grabbed another heat pad. And what I mean by heat pad, just in case if there isn't, is this thing right here on the side of the tank. But in order for that to work, it's got to be plugged into this thermostat that keeps your snakes from frying and your house from burning down. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get this open and we will move forward. Alright, so, whoa, got another thermostat. Now, why did I get another one? I got it because I have my ceramic heat element emitter heat light on my other thermostat that originally came with the mat. So I got me another one to hook to my heat mat over there. Again, this should be a must to keep your snake safe and to keep your house from burning down. Next, I got some substrate here. This is forest floor bedding. It is 100% cypress. This is absolutely snake and reptile safe. Now, you don't have to use this stuff. This Zoo Med is just well known in the hobby. My bird is going crazy. Sorry about that, y'all. And then you have this. This is another must, so you can see what your temp and humidity is inside of your snake's aquarium, because that is very important. You don't want it to get too dry. So we'll get that all set up and go from there. Now, this very type of thermometer and hygrometer has an app that you can scan the QR code and download it, and it has some features. I'm going to do that and learn about it, and if you guys want to see a video on it, just let me know and I will go into the details on it. Now, this right here is your thermostat. You plug your chi bulb into that. You plug your mat into that. This is plugged into the wall. This is what saves your snake from burning up and your house from burning up. Because once it hits the temperature you want it to, it shuts it off here. This is that humidity tester and temperature tester. And again, if you guys want to see a little more about the app, I can do a separate video on that. I just wanted to show you guys some necessities that you absolutely need if you're going to keep a snake. Thank you very much for watching. The links to these items will be in the description.